up, guys? Steve Mansker with Total Access Reviews here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9 Pro. In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and I'll share my initial thoughts on this unit with you. I'll also be making a 30, 60, and 90-day follow-up video on this, and then I'll show you a video also of what our total harvest looks like as well. So we were in a position where we were tired of tasting all the chemicals and pesticides and all of our store-bought vegetables and fruits. So we wanted to give this a shot, see if we could grow those at home. What specifically, drew us into Click and Grow, with this unit being a smart indoor garden. It's got automatic watering. It states that it's, provides the perfect amount of light and also a perfect amount of nutrients as well. So it seems like it's going to be pretty easy and straightforward to use. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and see what this looks like. Okay, so this unit does come with 3 pods, but we did purchase the peppers to test out as well. For the 9 Pro, it does only come in white at this time. So that's everything that comes with this unit. Okay, in terms of assembly, everything's labeled and it tells you exactly where it goes. Looks pretty simple and straightforward. Let's go ahead and get this put together. Put the arms on first. Notice a slot here for the power cord. Take our lamp. Work the cord into the slot here on the side. As far as assembly goes, that's it. Like I said, pretty simple and straightforward. We're going to grab our pods and then get those set up here as well. For our pods, we decided again to go with the tomatoes, red peppers, and lettuce. These just pop out here. The lid pops off. Lid goes back on. And then the dome goes on top. Okay, all the pods are in and that was done. Our next step is going to be to add 135 ounces of water. All right, now that our water has been added, the last step is going to be to plug it in and download the app. All right, guys, setup doesn't get any easier. You add the arms, you add the top lamp, you drop your pods in and put these dome covers on, and then you add your water. That's it. Everything's set up, everything's ready to go. If growing these fruits and vegetables, or anything like setup, this is going to be extremely easy. Really looking forward to that. But moment of truth, we're going to get it plugged in here and see if it works. Lights should automatically turn on. Looks like they did. There's a built-in timer in this unit. It will run, the light should run for 16 hours then they'll kick off for 8. It'll come out every single day. If you download the app, you can customize that and change that up as well. But otherwise, it looks really sleek, looks really good, and really looking forward to using it and seeing the progress here. I'm going to be making a video at the 30, 60, 90 day mark and then showing what the total harvest is on this as well, so you guys have a good idea on that. Feel free to add any comments below if you have comments or questions. And then if you're interested in picking one of these up, feel free to use code TOTALACCESS. That's TOTALACCESS. It'll get you a nice discount on this unit. And thanks for watching today. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel as always, and have a great day.